How did your weekend go, Jake?
It was great, thanks for asking.
Did you do anything interesting on Saturday?
Yes, I went hiking in the mountains.
What did you enjoy most about hiking?
The beautiful scenery and fresh mountain air.
Who did you go hiking with, Jake?
I went with my friends from college.
How long did the hike take, Jake?
It took us around 5 hours total.
Did you encounter any wildlife while hiking?
Yes, we saw deer and a fox.
How did you prepare for the hike?
I packed snacks, water, and comfortable shoes.
What snacks did you bring for the hike?
I brought granola bars and fresh fruit.
Was the hike challenging or fairly easy?
It was moderately challenging but very rewarding.
Do you plan on hiking again soon?
Yes, I'd love to go again soon.
Did you take any photos during the hike?
Yes, I took many photos of nature.
Can you show me some of your photos?
Sure, I'll show you them later.
What was your favorite photo from hiking?
The sunset over the mountains was stunning.
Do you usually hike often, Jake?
Not as often as I'd like to.
What other outdoor activities do you enjoy?
I enjoy biking and kayaking as well.
Where do you usually go biking?
I bike around the local parks and trails.
How long have you been kayaking, Jake?
I've been kayaking for about 3 years.
Do you prefer lakes or rivers for kayaking?
I prefer kayaking on calm rivers.
Have you ever tried whitewater rafting?
No, but I'd love to try it.
What do you enjoy most about kayaking?
The peacefulness and connection with nature.
Do you own your own kayak, Jake?
Yes, I bought one last summer.
How often do you go kayaking?
I try to go at least once a month.
What other hobbies do you have, Jake?
I enjoy reading and playing the guitar.
What kind of books do you read?
I enjoy reading science fiction and mystery.
Do you have a favorite science fiction book?
Yes, Dune by Frank Herbert is my favorite.
How long have you been playing guitar?
I've been playing guitar for 5 years.
What type of music do you play?
I play mostly rock and acoustic songs.
Do you play in a band, Jake?
No, I just play for fun at home.
Have you written any original songs?
Yes, I've written a few original songs.
Can you play one of your songs?
Sure, I'd be happy to play one.
Do you perform at open mic nights?
Sometimes, I perform at local open mics.
What do you like about open mic nights?
I enjoy sharing music and meeting people.
Have you made any musician friends there?
Yes, I've met several talented musicians.
Do you plan to record your music?
Yes, I'd like to record an album someday.
What other instruments do you play?
I also play the piano and ukulele.
How did you learn to play guitar?
I took lessons and practiced a lot.
Do you enjoy performing for others, Jake?
Yes, it's exciting to share my music.
What's your favorite song to perform?
Wonderwall by Oasis is my favorite.
How often do you practice guitar?
I practice guitar almost every day.
What's the hardest song you've learned?
Stairway to Heaven was quite challenging.
Have you ever taught someone guitar?
Yes, I've taught my younger cousin.
Do you think music brings people together?
Absolutely, music connects people universally.
What's the most memorable concert you attended?
Seeing Coldplay live was unforgettable.
Do you prefer small venues or large arenas?
I prefer small venues for intimate concerts.
Have you ever traveled for a concert?
Yes, I traveled to see a music festival.
What's your favorite music festival, Jake?
Coachella is my favorite music festival.
Do you have any upcoming concerts planned?
Yes, I have tickets to see the Lumineers.
How do you usually discover new music?
I use streaming services and recommendations.
Do you prefer physical or digital music?
I prefer digital music for its convenience.
What's your favorite album of all time?
Abbey Road by the Beatles is my favorite.
Do you collect vinyl records, Jake?
Yes, I have a small vinyl collection.
What's your most prized vinyl record?
A signed copy of Rumors by Fleetwood Mac.
How do you care for your vinyl records?
I clean them regularly and store them properly.
Have you ever DJ'd at a party?
No, but it sounds like fun.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen is my go-to.
Do you enjoy singing in front of people?
Yes, it's a fun way to entertain.
What's your favorite type of concert?
I love acoustic and intimate performances.
Do you play any sports, Jake?
Yes, I play soccer and basketball.
How long have you played soccer?
I've played soccer since I was a kid.
Do you play on a team currently?
Yes, I play on a local amateur team.
What position do you play in soccer?
I usually play as a midfielder.
Do you enjoy watching professional soccer?
Yes, I'm a big fan of professional soccer.
Who's your favorite soccer player?
Lionel Messi is my favorite player.
Do you attend live soccer matches often?
Yes, I go whenever I can.
Have you ever played in a soccer tournament?
Yes, I've played in several local tournaments.
What's the most memorable game you played?
Winning the championship last year was unforgettable.
Do you also enjoy playing basketball, Jake?
Yes, I enjoy basketball just as much.
What position do you play in basketball?
I usually play as a shooting guard.
How often do you play basketball, Jake?
I play basketball a few times a week.
Do you watch NBA games regularly?
Yes, I try to watch as many as possible.
Who's your favorite NBA team?
The Golden State Warriors are my favorite team.
Do you have a favorite NBA player?
Stephen Curry is my favorite player.
Have you ever been to an NBA game?
Yes, I've attended a few live games.
What's the best part of watching live games?
The atmosphere and excitement are amazing.
Do you play any other sports, Jake?
I also enjoy playing tennis occasionally.
How long have you been playing tennis?
I've been playing tennis for about 2 years.
Do you prefer singles or doubles tennis?
I prefer playing doubles tennis with friends.
Have you ever competed in a tennis match?
No, I just play for fun and exercise.
What do you find challenging about tennis?
The fast pace and quick reactions needed.
Do you follow professional tennis tournaments?
Yes, I enjoy watching the Grand Slam events.
Who's your favorite tennis player?
Roger Federer is my favorite tennis player.
What do you admire about Roger Federer?
His skill, sportsmanship, and longevity in tennis.
Do you play any musical instruments, Amy?
Yes, I play the piano and the flute.
How long have you been playing the piano?
I've been playing the piano since childhood.
Do you enjoy performing in front of others?
Yes, I love sharing my music with others.
What's your favorite piece to play on piano?
Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata is my favorite.
Have you ever played in a recital?
Yes, I've played in several recitals.
Do you compose your own music as well?
Yes, I've written a few original pieces.
What inspires your music compositions?
Nature, emotions, and life experiences inspire me.
Do you plan to pursue music professionally?
No, I prefer to keep it as a hobby.
Have you ever collaborated with other musicians?
Yes, I've collaborated with friends and family.
What's the most rewarding part of playing music?
Expressing myself and connecting with others.
Do you enjoy listening to live music?
Yes, I love attending concerts and festivals.
What's your favorite concert experience?
Seeing Coldplay live was truly unforgettable.
Do you collect any musical memorabilia?
Yes, I collect concert tickets and posters.
What's your most prized music-related possession?
A signed guitar by my favorite band.
Do you think music influences your daily life?
Absolutely, it's a constant source of inspiration.
How do you discover new music artists?
Through recommendations and music streaming services.
Do you have a favorite music streaming service?
Yes, I prefer using Spotify for its variety.
What's your go-to playlist on Spotify?
My favorite is the Chill Hits playlist.
Do you listen to music while studying?
Yes, I find it helps me concentrate.
What genre of music do you prefer for studying?
I prefer instrumental and classical music.
Do you listen to podcasts as well?
Yes, I enjoy listening to educational podcasts.
What's your favorite podcast topic?
I enjoy podcasts about science and technology.
Do you have a favorite podcast?
Yes, Radiolab is my favorite podcast.
How often do you listen to podcasts?
I listen to podcasts almost every day.
What's the best podcast episode you've heard?
An episode about space exploration was fascinating.
Do you think podcasts are a good learning tool?
Absolutely, they provide valuable information and insights.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I enjoy reading a good book or playing music.
Do you prefer fiction or non-fiction books?
I enjoy both, depending on my mood.
What's the best book you've read recently?
Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari was excellent.
How often do you read for pleasure?
I try to read a little bit every day.
Do you belong to any book clubs?
Yes, I'm part of a local book club.
What's the next book on your reading list?
The Night Circus by Aaron Morgenstern.
Have you read any books multiple times?
Yes, I've read Harry Potter several times.
What do you enjoy about rereading books?
Discovering new details and perspectives.
Well, it was great chatting with you, Jake.
Yes, it was a fun conversation, Amy.
Let's catch up again soon, Jake.
Absolutely, I'd love to, Amy.
Bye, take care, and see you again.
Bye, take care, Amy. See you soon.